Sanibona babukeli emakhaya, igama lami nguPrity Mkhize. Sise-Potchefstroom Institute of Technology. ePotchefstroom indawo esikuyona iNyanda yeZulu. Ngizocela ukuthi singene ngaphakathi. Ngithanda ukubingelela ababukeli emakhaya, babukeli boMlando Creatives. Igama lami nguPrity Mkhize. Ngise-institution, Potchefstroom Institute of Technology, based endaweni yase-South Coast ePotchefstroom, iNyanda yeZulu location, okuyindawo esemakhaya engaphansi kwenkosi uNdwalana. So, iPotchefstroom Institute of Technology iqale yayiphupho 2015, which is 12 years ago. Kwathi last year maqala unyaka sahlangana nomasipala wethu wala eRenkonyeni sababikela ukuthi sinesifiso sikanjena okukusiza abantwana bala ngasekhaya bakwazi ukuthi bathole imfundo e-accredited eduzane. So i-institution e-accredited by QCTO sisiza nje ukuthi abantwana bathole ama-qualifications abo endaweni eseduzane. Ama-qualifications esinawo ahlukene kabili. Sinama-full qualifications bese siba nama-short courses. Ama-full qualifications esinawo sine-computer technician, eyu-18 months, i-IT course leyo. In short, it's an IT support qualification or computer technician. Thola ukuthi lapha emsebenzini uyafika uqashiwe, unikwe i-laptop awazi nokuthi wenze njani ngayo, uyakusiza umfana or intombazane install ama-software amasha. Yes, ikusize icreate i-domain usuyabona usine-email address yakho nawe ekhuluma ngegama lenkampani nakho konke ukuze ukwazi ukuthi usebenze information yakho iseve kwi-cloud and everything. So i-IT qualification le esicreate khona ama-IT technicians. Okay, so ukunaba sibese ngishilo computer technician engicathi iyona that is initially like our main qualification because it also speaks to me as an IT professional nabanye sebenzisana nabo. Sinayo i-computer technician njengoba ngishilo 18 months siphinde sibe nama-short courses e-IT sine basic end user computing, eyu 6 weeks sibe ne-intermediate end user computing, eyu 2 weeks sibe ne-advance ama-short course lawa e-computer. Siphinde sibe ne-occupational health and safety officer, ne-occupational health and safety practitioner. I-officer unyaka iyona sibone kakhulu i-turnaround ebeyinhle kakhulu sinengane ezi-enrollile lekhaya as close to 50 ezokwenza yona iyunyaka leyo. Siphinde futhi sizoba ne-faculty ye-beauty, sine-beauty therapy eyunyaka, sibe ne-beauty practitioner eyunyaka, sibe nama-specialized esiwabiza ngama-specialization streams within the beauty industry. Sine-body massage therapist eyu 3 months ufunda lonke uhlobo le-body massage likhona, whereas lena i-beauty therapy i-cover the holistic view of the beauty and wellness industry from nail therapy, facials, the theory modules that talks to understanding different skin type, cosmetic anatomy, setting up a business salon. Maningi ama-modules e-theory owathola kuleyo nyaka e-beauty therapy. Phinde kuzoba khona ama-practicals, nail technician, body massage therapist, i-makeup artist. You know, awu 3 months ke lawa suke sufocusile makuthi ufunda i-massage, ufunde ngo 3 months lonke uhlobo from sports, body massage, siphinde sibe nama aromatherapy ahlukahlukene namangwazi. Abawazi kakhulu ibona bafundi lapha bethu abe-beauty. So iwona ke lawo siphinde sizoba nama-course lawa afola under the health and safety pillar. So sinama-short course ke lapho sino first aid, sino basic emergency responder first aid eyu 2 days, siphinde sibe no intermediate, siphinde sibe no advanced ama-short course la first aid, like le basic nje yu 2 days kuphela. And angazi noma ngakhuluma ngayo manje class la izoba nasi ne class nje izoba khona manje end of March, mhla 31 March to 1 April. Sibiza lapho wonke umuntu osebenza ngama daycare, wonke umuntu othekhaya ngihlala nabantu abadala or abantwana, ngiyafisa makwenzeka inkinga ngikwazi ukuba usizo lokuqala, mhlambe kusalindwe ambulance okulinda imoto ezophuthumisa esibhedlela. I-1100 le-office aid yethu yubu 2 days include lunch yona ngoba siyasithi ngenxa ukuthi isikhathi esiningi izikole suke ivaliwe uthokuthi ne-cafeteria ivaliwe. Sithi abantu sizobakhetharishela. You 2 days 1100 accredited first aid certificate sakho leso nationally recognized because you are accredited by QCTO. siphinde sibe nama-short course aka-health and safety. We all know emsebenzini, you know, in order to be compliant in terms of Health and Safety Act, you need to have a first aider, you need to have an OHS representative. Sinayo short course naye OHS representative kade siyenza nje isanze e-Eastern Cape kule weekend edlule. Siphinde futhi sibe ne-fire marshal in the event of fire, njengoba ngisibona ukuthi kuma-business, kuma-building kunama-fire extinguisher. Kumele kube khona umuntu okwazi ukuthi makusha ayithathe la fire extinguisher kuphume phela le gesi emele iphume icishe umlilo. Sinayo ke leyo course nayo eyu2 days. I'm passionate about imfundo. Also, when I did my master's study in IT, I also checked career, barriers that are experienced by women in IT senior positions. But sisaqala kuma-phases lawa phansi. Sabona ukuthi amanye barriers ababhekana nawo abantu ukuthi access to technology. Because sasicheck ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi babe few abantu besifazane kwa-IT, especially kwi-C-suite like ma-leadership positions. Sabona ukuthi kahle inkinga nje ngisho emakhaya ezikoleni ayikho cause computer. You know, initially passion yami kwakufundisa computer and ngaqala ngafundisa le smart exchange. Ngangijela ukuyifundisa ubo 2 days just nje giving people a skill. Saqala lapho safuna accreditation yama courses e computer, but from there we realized ukuthi no khona bazovaleleka ngaphandle abantwana bangafisa nabo ukufunda le duzane, ngoba siyathola ukuthi ingane zethu ziyasuka ziyorenta ko Durban unyaka wonke ifunda isikole sikho accredited. Makuphela unyaka ingane ithi yolanda certificate sekulokhiwa abantu bathuthile. You know, sabheka ukuthi lento singenza kanjani ukuze siyenze, and then sahamba ke sanokha ke Nkosi yami ke umama wethu kumama sasho ukuthi nayi into kanje sifisa ukusiza. And we all know le South Coast ayikho university, you know, okuyinto engekho yinhle kakhulu. And you will remember ukuthi ama-university akhona awanayo i-capacity. I-research ya 2024 iyaveza ukuthi i-UJ kwaku-apply ingane eziwu-750,000. Almost kokushoda nje ikota kuphume imiliyoni ingane zizi-apply ukufunda khona, but they could only accommodate 15,000 ngenxa ye-capacity ekhona. So wonke ama-university esehlangene nama-TVET awakwazi ukumumatha i-demand yezingane efuna ukungena ema-university. So there was definitely a room yokuthi nathi singavula i-institution engeke ke manje i-stick kulama course e-computer, but siphinde sibheke namanye ama-course akwi-demand kwi-industry, okuwukuthi iyaveza i-research ukuthi imisebenzi kanje miningi but kushoda i-supply yama-individuals are qualified. That is why our streams nje awu-3 sine-IT, sine-health and safety, sine-beauty faculty, and those are specifically a response to i-demand kwi-industry ukuthi akuphi amathuba omsebenzi or akuphi ama-skills, you know, lawo uthola ukuthi noma ungasaqashekanga uyakwazi ukuthi wena uvule into yakho. Khona ama-mobile spas manje, we all know ukuthi sihlala endlini manje u-order bakudilivele u-Pick n Pay. Manje sewuyakwazi ukuhlala endlini u-order ifike i-mobile spa kumasaje embhedeni wakho, or omunye bafike nale mbhede yabo e-portable. So that is how the institution started, uku-addressa nje the gap in the industry yama-skills.
Now this is what I call Ufiki TV.